Hi everyone. Today we talk about the dining rooms. The dining room is a place where the family and guests come together. A space with multiple design possibilities, each unique in its own way. Today, I would be taking you through how we design our eclectic dining rooms. My name is Nitin Kohli and this is Lifestyle by Nitin Kohli Home. Let's get started. So let's talk about what's in. First, use of semi-precious stones as tabletops. This helps to add a lot of color and also opens up a Pandora of design possibilities on the surface. It's pricey and helps you to create the first impression. Second, the chairs. Keep them low height. This helps you not to overshadow your magnificent table. Also be careful what fabric you pick. Today, there are abundant possibilities ranging from velvets to leather, all stain-free and pet-friendly, just in case you invite your feline friends for a meal. Third, one of the most impressionist pieces to be installed in the dining room is the chandelier over the table. Should not be overpowering, but yet make a lasting impression. Lighting is a key factor. Dining tables should be very well lit. Fourth, pick your crockery and cutlery wisely. Create a good contrast between the tabletop color and the crockery. Make it plush with gold embellishments. With that being said, I hope you've been able to take some inspiration today and looking forward to a hearty meal. Thank you for joining us today. We hope with this we've given you some design ideas for your next home project. Let us know in the comments below about your design inspirations and stay tuned for a journey of transformation with Lifestyle by Nitin Kohli Home.